This Hurricane Melissa spared absolutely no one here in the west side of Jamaica. Whether you're black, brown, tall, short, rich, poor, it doesn't matter. Everybody on this side of the island was touched. This is an area in St. James, Montego Bay area. It's called the Westgate. It's a high-end community with all the big houses and so on. And from what you can, every other house, just look there. Every other house you can see has tarpaulin on it. Look on the other side of the road. Tarpaulin. Over there in the distance here, you can see there's still some people on a roof there trying to, I guess, get back tarpaulin. But every house, every other house, look at this one, tarpaulin on it. It's a big lesson in all of this, guys. A big lesson in all of this. By the way, my home community in Westmoreland, Beach and Spring, was devastated. All the houses, all the board houses except 2, as far as I can remember, is flat. And I don't mean the roof gone, no, I mean everything is flat. I did a video to highlight the crisis down there and the need, and to bring some attention to that community. I'm going to ask you to take a look at it. There's a link in the description to that video, as well as a GoFundMe link to get some help for them. I'm going to ask you to check it out. The Beach and Spring community in Westmoreland. Again, look at this. This town now is not Westgate Hills anymore. Probably more fitting is Tarpaulin Hills. Wow.